and it's your girl Nisha, and I'm back with another banger, y'all. As y'all can tell by the title, you already know what's going on, y'all. So Danny in the bed asleep right now, and I'm about to just go in there, put the camera up, and I'm about to make all type of noises, y'all, just to aggravate him and get him up, y'all. Like, I'm just gonna do anything that I can think of that's gonna make some noise, y'all. Make sure you guys put in the comments and let me know what y'all think about this video, y'all, because you're about to get this reaction. You see my stuff? Where's my stuff?
Making noise, bro. Making all that noise. What the fuck is you doing?
You leave me alone.
You gotta slow this.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not banging anything. You just go to sleep and mind your business. Oh, where's my? I don't understand.
Stop banging shit down. Fuck. Way too early for that dumb shit.
Go to sleep.
I'm asleep. That's just playing. What the fuck wrong with you? Man, you're too slow for me. It don't make sense, man. See, I'm trying to go to sleep. Damn. Damn, it's doing too much. For what? Man, because I'm sleeping, you woke. For what? You start making noise and shit. Damn, what's the point? The fuck goofy ass is running around making noise. You start making noise, like what's the point? I'm not about to wake up, I'm not about to get up because you acting slow. Fuck. Damn. If somebody about to wake up because you ready for me to wake up, no. Get on my face! Damn, don't see me trying to go to sleep. The fuck?
Who was you yelling at?
Dumbass just doing shit. Damn, the fuck? You ain't got time for all that when I wouldn't sleep late, you wouldn't sleep early. Damn.
Pretty much.
You go out there and make noise. You go out there and make noise. Damn. That make this fucking. Damn, I don't understand.
You ain't see it?
See what? You trying to kill me in my sleep or something? Huh? Sit there making all that noise. It's a lot of noise you make. You sit there banging pots while I'm trying to go to sleep. What's your problem? Big glasses ass fuck. Damn, get out. It's already hot. You got to heat the air up. Damn.
What you trying to eat?
You want to eat? Make noise.
Do you want to eat?
You don't sit here and just make noise when I just woke up.
You want to eat?
Fucking up my brain cells and all that.
You want to
stop
eat?
making noise?
All right, go back to sleep. I ain't gonna do that.
Damn,
Go back to sleep.
you making a whole lot of noise since you woke.
All right, go to sleep.
Damn, you woke wild.
Go
Fuck.
to
Damn.
sleep. Go to sleep. You
Fuck.
so sleepy, go to sleep.
It don't matter about being
Go
asleep.
ahead, lay
It
down.
don't matter about being asleep.
Lay down.
Can you get out then?
Lay
Damn,
down.
you doing ignorant shit.
Lay down.
You gonna come here with pops. You bad girls club or
Go to
something?
sleep.
The fuck?
Go ahead.
Can you get on my face? Can you get on my face?
Lay your head down and go
I'm
to
sweating,
sleep.
I'm hot.
Lay down and go to
You
sleep.
doing too much. Damn.
Go ahead.
What am I old or something?
Yeah.
An old man or something?
You fan on you, you hot.
What you doing aggressive shit
You
for?
said you hot.
You doing way too much.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Doing way too much.
Go to sleep.
You go to sleep with me.
Go to sleep.
Fuck. I'm woke now for real, like I ain't
All
trying
right, I'm
to
about to
get
go to sleep too. Come on.
in the boat. Come on. Fuck. Damn. Fuck you fidgeting for? You a crackhead or something? Doing too much. You gonna sit there and just do shit in my ear? Irrelevant, this dumb shit in my ear?
Try to go to sleep.
Damn, don't make sense. Like you just do corny shit. Like, what's the point? Here, go ahead on. I'm down. I'm woke now.
All right, go to sleep.
I'm woke now. Ain't
Go
I
to
woke?
sleep.
Ain't I woke now?
Go to sleep.
Ain't I woke? Get on my face. Get on my face. It's too hot for that.
Go to sleep.
Watch out. What's your problem?
Go to sleep before I bang these pots.
Watch out. Move.
Lay
Watch
down
out.
then.
You already gave me a headache.
Lay down.
Both of you just make me. What you want to knock my teeth over the
Lay down.
the pop thing?
Lay down. Lay down.
Watch out. I'm not about to lay. You get on my face with them pots. You close as hell. You know how close you is? You almost smack my nose. You almost pancake my nose. You want to get real salty.
Well, your nose need to be that way. Go lay
It
down.
don't matter. I'm not about to lay down. I'm hot now. I'm about to get in the shower. Move! That's what the fuck? You real close to my face and my cheek and my jawbone and shit.
It's
You
bedtime.
wanna knock my jawbone loose or something?
It's
Where I feel it right
bedtime.
now? The fuck?
It's bedtime.
Get on my face.
Change.
Buddy, you're real aggravated. What the fuck is that smell here? Them pots stinking something? The fuck? fuck you playing like you're doing too much. Fuck you. Hey, fuck don't make sense. Can't even go to sleep in here. Dang.
What you wanna go to sleep for?
Why can't go to sleep?
Why you wanna go to sleep?
Because I'm tired.
It's time to wake up. You up? You up?
They go ahead and went in like 7 in the morning.
You up?
Damn.
Are you up? Is the mission accomplished?
Watch out. I'm
Are
woke.
you up?
Ain't I woke now?
You up?
And I woke now.
Why you picking the keys? You
And I
like
woke
making
now.
noise too, huh?
And I woke now.
You like making noise too,
And
huh?
I woke now.
And I woke now.
Do too much.
Where you going?
Here, I'm about to leave out the room. I need something to drink. Can you move so I can go get something to drink?
No.
Damn. Sitting there banging pots, banging keys and pots, and just doing irrelevant shit. Like, what's the point?
Get the point.
It's too early for that.
It's bored.
But I mean, it's early in the morning. Like, what you mean? It's born. The sun. Now go dance for the sun.
Do I want to dance in the sun? Do I like
Go
I
dance.
dance
Go meditate the sun.
Do I like I dance in the sun? What am I going to do in the sun? Twirl. Ballerina. You mad?
Look at my face.
Why you mad?
Look at my face.
Why you
Look, got
mad?
2 ratings on phone.
Why you mad? Why are you mad?
Watch out.
Can you tell me why you mad? Over
I'm
a
aggravated.
prank?
This ain't no prank when I'm asleep. It
It's
ain't
a
no
prank.
prank when I'm
You
asleep.
woke now though, but
It
it's a
don't
prank.
matter.
The prank was making noise while you sleep.
Well, stop playing then, because now I'm woke.
I made a whole lot of noise in them.
You move, I'm woke now. You move. It's hot and all type of shit.
Maybe.
Dang.
How much watch that show?
Nobody watch none. I'm aggravated. You can watch it yourself. Might go work out.
Well, I could have just watched it in there. That's why I
Oh,
woke
you
you
should have
up.
been watching it.
I did all this for nothing.
Hey, go ahead on.
Say it again.
See me need nothing. Like, go ahead on.
You said to me
I'm about
nothing.
to
We're
prank. I'm
definitely
about to
something.
just prank
We're
you.
definitely something.
I'm about to just prank you with something crazy.
So?
Disrespectful prank too.
Like what?
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be something. Something that's gonna hurt feelings and all type of shit. Probably. I don't know what it's gonna be.
I highly doubt you're
Watch
gonna
out,
hurt my
you
feelings.
stop.
I don't
You
have
move.
feelings.
You move.
I don't have feelings. I'm heartless.
Makes sense.
You can't tell.
Watch out.
I don't care about a lot of stuff.
Okay, watch out. Go do you.
What are you looking at?
Hey, go ahead. Get out.
Why are you looking like that? Say Team Indicator or I'm not.
Team me need nothing. I'm not about
Say
to
Team
say
Indicator
Team
get on
gang
the
at all.
backhand you with these rings.
Move, you ain't about to do nothing. Can you move?
Say Team Mini Gang. Cause look at my ring, you jealous?
Look, I'm jealous of. Where did that ring from?
Say Team Mini Gang.
Hey, get on my face.
Say Team Mini Gang. I'm gonna squeeze your
No.
nose real hard.
No, don't touch my nose. I'm already aggravated.
Why? Sweating.
Everything's sweating. I'm sweating.
Team Mini Gang, or we gonna be here all day. Now, let me bang these pots so you say it.
Hey, move.
Say-
I'm about to leave up.
Say Team Mini Gang.
Move. Watch out.
Say Team Mini
You're
Gang.
doing too much.
Say it.
Makes sense.
You a mad ass nigga. That's why you woke, Nat.
You know why you look dumb as fuck now.
Now you look dumb too, right with me. You look dumb waking up like that.
Don't matter.
And I was cracking up. We got his reaction, y'all. He up, he saw him. Make sure y'all spend the comments, Team Nene Gang. Since he wouldn't say it because he a sore loser, everybody in your comment, make sure you say Team Nene Gang. I'm about to read every comment in this video, y'all. And I want to see every comment say Team Nene Gang. Seriously. So, how you feel, Danny?
Aggravated.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to end this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time, we out. Peace.